Hello and welcome to a new video on this channel. I am Szabi from CodeRevolution. Today I am showing you a tutorial video for the latest plugin that is getting added to my CodeCanyon portfolio. It is called Mp3omatic Post Generator. It uses the free music archive to import royalty-free music to your blog and to create posts from this. So if you check freemusicarchive.org, this is the website. You can check here and see what music is available to be imported using this plugin. So first of all, you need to get an API key for the plugin. Oh, before anything, let me show how to install it. This is for users that are getting started with WordPress. Click plugins, add new, upload plugin, choose file, navigate to the zip file you downloaded and click install now. After the installation you will get the plugin and now you should get to configure it. You need to get a API key. If you don't have a free music archive API key, you can use one of the API keys that I provided here. So paste the API key, save settings, and now we can go to configuring importing rules by clicking on the music to posts menu. Here we can import music from artists, from specific artists, or if you want to import music from any artist, simply put in a star here. Schedule, this is how often importing should run for the plugin. Maximum number of imported posts should be set to the value you wish. Let's set this to 3, and here are some advanced settings. The title of the generated post, this is a shortcode, item title. This will be changed with the title of the music that is imported. Possible shortcodes are these. The same for the content. Here are many more shortcodes available, as you can see. And the default content is this: track, title, artist, artist URL, artist name, preview, and the download button, download track now. Remember last posted item and continue search from it. If you check this, the plugin will continue to search music and to import it in consequent runs. If you uncheck this, the plugin will search only the latest results that the API returns and continue to check these. The name of the album you want to search, the genre you want to search, minimum length, maximum length, track ID you want to import, curator ID, sort results by, you can sort by any of these fields. Sort direction, ascending, descending, or any. Commercial usage allowed. These are checkboxes to search for specific music. Okay. Maximum posts per day. How many posts to post at maximum per day. Post status should be set how you wish to moderate or automatically publish generated posts. Get post publish date from imported track. Item type. Here also custom post types will be listed. Post author, generated post format, initial post category, auto add categories, remove WordPress default post category, auto add tags, initial post tags, enable comments, pingback, trackbacks, post custom fields. You can use here also many custom shortcodes, auto get featured image and default featured image list. Okay, so let's import some test posts from the this is an artist I like, Cambo, and let's check our blog. It is empty now, and let's run importing. So this is the free music archive. You can check for artists here. After importing finishes, we can refresh our blog to check what the plugin generated. Okay, so until then, let's check also the activity and logging section. Here we can see some system info, what rules are currently running, restore plugin default settings, delete all posts generated by the plugin, and activity log for the plugin. Also main settings. Here you can configure some additional features for the plugin. You can disable downloading music locally to server. Also you can disable attaching music to posts. You can automatically shorten URLs with a link shortener, show extended item information meta box, enable logging, detail logging, automatically clear logs, timeout for rules, send rules summary in email, some posting restrictions, many posting restrictions to be honest, and resizing for featured image, strip HTML elements, skip posts that do not have images older than this date. You can automatically translate content, source language, and also you can spin content. Also a random sentence generator will be available with these two shortcodes, and custom HTML shortcodes with these shortcodes. Okay. Also an affiliate keyword replacer, search for keyword replace another keyword and add a link to it. Now let's check our blog. So these are the posts generated, and if we play one, we can see that music is playing, and this is the download link. People can also download the tracks locally to their computer. Okay, so this is all for now. I hope you will enjoy this plugin. Until next time, have a great day. Bye bye.